took the 2 orange juices. Or... Oh. Oh, wait, here you go. They drop down. Take another one.
Doing something in there.
Uh-huh. You can smell it.
Yeah, you can. How do you feel? Get your orange juice?
I'm excited. I'm very intrigued. Orange juice.
100%.
Outside. Oh yeah, 100%. Like, there's the orange. The orange is right there.
100% finish.
All right, let's see.
It came with a top
Did I
one.
just say it? Okay. Oh no. Did I just say that? Yeah.
Alright, taste. Is there straw somewhere?
No, I think you just open. Is it? Yeah. Yeah, I don't say straw. It tastes like, you see a pulp too. It just tastes like orange juice. It's pretty good though. Got my vitamin C for the day.